Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for you, and it is On The Go Travel Edit, the gorgeous little limited edition from Cult Beauty, which has unfortunately now sold out. It was released on Monday. I ordered it, I paid next day delivery, it came yesterday. I was going to upload yesterday, but I've been really suffering with a really nasty cold, sore throaty sort of thing, so I'm feeling a little bit better today, but it just happens that I just went online to see if you can still get it and you can't. So I'm still posting this up anyway because I want to show you what type of limited editions Cult Beauty do. They always give you a chance to sign up for the wait list, and as soon as I know about it, I post that wait list everywhere. On here, on my little community tab on YouTube, on my Facebook page, on my Instagram, my Twitter, where else? Linktree as well, so I post it up everywhere, so you're able to pop in your email, and then as soon as it goes live you get an email straight away to let you know if, and then it's up to you if you want to get it or not. So if you're not already following me on any of those, then you're welcome to do so. You'll find all the information down below in my description. So yeah, so let's get on to showing you then what's inside this bag. The value is £180 and it costs £40. I love this. Look at this. Ooh. So you open it up, it's got Cult Beauty there. Can you see? Open it up and look. Ooh, it just opens up. I love this. I absolutely love it. You've got little compartments, and then you've got a little zipper compartment in the middle there as well, so you can put things in. And you've got little areas there to put things in. It's such a gorgeous little bag. I do really like it. I just love things like this. So I'll definitely be using this whenever I go away for the night or holiday. Oh my gosh, I'm starting to sweat now. What is wrong with me? Coming down with a nasty cold. Oh, if you've got any tips, please let me know. Anyway, starting off, Elemis Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter, Pumpkin Glow Facial Cleanser, and there's 20 mils there. So yeah, it's a nice cleansing butter. I do prefer the Pro Collagen butters, but out of all of Elemis, I love Elemis, but out of all Elemis products, Superfood is my least favourite of the ranges. But yeah, it's fine, I still use it. We have got here, this is Laneige Water Bank Blue Hyaluronic Gel Moisturizer, and there's 10 mils. I've only ever tried their lip products, their sleeping masks. So Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer, Blue Hyaluronic Gel Moisturizer. Then we've got Paula's Choice. This is a clear ultralight daily hydrating fluid, broad spectrum SPF 30, and it's for blemish prone skin. Oh, which is good. Not necessarily for me. I do come out with the odd spot now and again, more recently than ever before. Well, in the last 10 years. I'm on medication, long story, but I'm just thinking about my daughter. Lightweight hydrating fluid. That's really nice. So for the lips, this is Lanolips. This is a watermelon jelly balm. Soft and juicy and ultra hydrating lip balm with natural fruit extracts and a sheer fruity tint for dry, dull lips. Yeah, that's lovely. That's what it looks like. No, can't sniff anything. It might not sniff or anything. It should do. I've had this before. I'm sure it smells. Anyway, something for your lips. Then we've got Patchology. This is FlashPatch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. So a set of 2 there for your under eyes. Then we've got, which sounds amazing, Hair by McKnight. This is Lazy Girl Biodegradable Hair Cleanse Cloths. What? Refresh fringes and hairlines. And there's 20 cloths in there. Oh, that sounds so good. So to get rid of all your sweat. Or does it actually wash your hair for you? Well, a little bit. Temporary. You know, if you've got really greasy, smelly hair. Does it get rid of it? A quick rescue. Instantly refreshing biodegradable cloths with witch hazel to cleanse fringes, hairlines and roots on the go. Yeah. I can imagine that being brilliant if I had a fringe, but yeah, and hairlines. I suppose it's nice if you're a bit sweaty, a bit hot, just to freshen yourself up. You have cloths for your face, or why not for your hair? It's a bit different, isn't it? Right then, next, The Ordinary. This is hyaluronic acid 2% plus B5, a hydration support formula with ultra pure vegan hyaluronic acid. There's 30 mils here. This is the very, very first hyaluronic acid serum I ever tried, and I stuck with it for years. Years and years. And I just prefer other ones now. There's nothing wrong with this. Nothing wrong with it whatsoever. But I just go towards others now. So there's that. Then we got Summer Fridays Jet Lag Mask Hydrate, 64 grams. Ooh, what's this? Busy lives can leave skin stressed, tired and thirsty. Use as a nightly mask, daytime moisturizer or in-flight skin saver. Our enhanced fragrance-free formula helps nourish, hydrate and soothe with niacinamide, glycerin, hyaluronic acid and antioxidants, leaving skin looking renewed, radiant and ready for anything. Ooh, okay. And that's the mask. I like the idea of that. Putting a mask on when you're flying or when you've just come off a flight or something. Yeah, thing is, I've never left Europe. So the longest flight I've ever been on is to Cyprus. I have been to Cairo. That was a day trip from Cyprus years ago. But yeah, for it was Cyprus, 4.5 hour flight. So I never think of skincare when I go on a plane. But if I had a night flight, regardless of if it's 2 hours, 4 hours, whatever, because of the air conditioning and everything, skin feels a bit yuck anyway. But yeah, I can imagine coming off, especially in a night flight, going to my hotel or wherever I am, and then yeah, putting this on. I think that'd be lovely. If it's good, that is. I don't know anything about it. No, for all skin types, AM or PM. So there's that. Oh, then we've got here Omorovicza. This is the Queen of Hungary mist, and there's 50 mils there. It says here, working with a Hungarian Nobel Prize winning laboratory, Omorovicza Cosmetics developed and patented the healing concentrate to deliver all the potent minerals, curing naturally in the healing waters deep into the epidermis. Complexion appears firmer, suppler and more youthful. This bottle is beautiful. It must be like a limited edition. I have had this in the past. But that bottle is so, so pretty. Yeah, that is really gorgeous. I'm going to shove that on my face now. It says, a quick spritz of this neroli and rose-scented facial mist refreshes the skin and lifts the spirits. Purifying and hydrating. Hate rose, love neroli. But it's fine. It is fine. I have used this before. It does have a rosy smell, but it's not bad. Oh, it feels so nice. Oh my God, I can feel it all over me. Oh. Yeah, that's so nice. It's really fine. I'm just heating up. I haven't got a temperature. I have looked. And to be honest, if I was that well, I wouldn't have been able to do my makeup. But I'm loving cold and flu capsules. Gives me a bit of normality for a couple of hours. But yeah, that was lovely. I love that. Nice and refreshing. So there's that. There, we got a product from Herlum, London. Sandalwood and Grapefruit Hands and Body Lotion. And there's 50 mils there. Okay, let's try it this way. Ooh. Oh, what an unusual smell. Oh, that is lovely. That is really nice. It feels really gorgeous on my hands as well. It feels really, really lovely, silky soft. But the smell, it's like a natural smell of grass, grapefruit and a gorgeous smelling man. All mixed in together. Oh, that is so nice. I do really like that. It contains murumuru butter from the Amazon rainforest. Yeah, that is lovely. It feels so nice as well. And then the last item in the box is L'Occitane. This is Amande. Is it Amande or Armand? A-M-A-N-D-E. It's a shower gel, cleansing and softening. And we have got here 35 mils. So yeah, this is nice. I've had this a few times as well, little samples. So those are all the products inside this brand new, sold out within, well, I don't know when it sold out. It could have sold out yesterday or it could have sold out on Monday. I just checked today before I started filming. But anyway, it's sold out limited edition beauty bag from Cult Beauty. It's the travel edit and it's got everything travel related in there. I really like it. I love this bag with all the little compartments as well. Yeah, definitely worth £40 in my opinion anyway, but I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this? Did you go for it? Did you sign up for a notification and went for it straight away? Or were you thinking, nah, you know what, it's not for me, and you gave it a miss? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.